Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike, designed for teens and adults who crave adventure and thrill. This beast of a bike is packed with impressive features that will take your off-road experiences to the next level. From its mind-blowing acceleration to its robust construction, let's dive in and explore what makes this electric dirt bike a game-changer. First off, let's talk about the power and performance of this bike. The ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike boasts a whopping 3500W peak power and 220 Nm torque, which translates to rapid acceleration and the ability to conquer 35 degrees off-road climbs with ease. Imagine reaching a top speed of 38 miles per hour in mere seconds, feeling the rush of dirt bike-level performance designed specifically for adult thrill seekers. This level of power is not just about speed. It's about the ability to tackle challenging terrains with confidence, knowing your bike has the muscle to get you through tough spots. Another critical aspect of any electric vehicle is its range and battery life. The ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike comes equipped with a high-capacity 48V23Ah battery that supports continuous trail riding for up to 53 miles. This means you can enjoy a full day of riding without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to recharge, the fast 6-hour full charge feature gets you back on the road overnight, ready for the next adventure. The battery management system is also a noteworthy feature, as it prevents overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, ensuring your battery stays healthy and performs optimally over time. Now, let's delve into the innovative technology that sets this bike apart from others in its class. The nitrogen-filled hydraulic shock absorbers are a standout feature, designed to prevent hydraulic oil from forming bubbles, cavitation, under high temperatures, or continuous jolts. This means that the shock absorption performance remains unaffected even after 5 hours of high-intensity off-road driving. Compared to conventional hydraulic dampers, the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike maintains 90% of its performance during continuous use, preventing loss of control due to shock failure. This technology ensures a smoother ride and better handling, even in the most demanding conditions. Safety is also a top priority with the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike, as evidenced by its dual hydraulic disc brakes and robust steel frame. The large front and rear brake discs deliver consistent stopping power in mud, water, and sand, giving you the confidence to ride aggressively without worrying about your ability to stop. The reinforced steel frame supports riders up to 265 pounds while maintaining agile handling, making this bike suitable for a wide range of riders. And with its TÜV certification and 1-year warranty, you can ride with peace of mind, knowing that your bike meets strict safety standards and is backed by reliable customer support. In conclusion, the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike is an exceptional piece of technology that offers unparalleled performance, range, and safety features. Whether you're a seasoned off-road enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of electric dirt bikes, this bike is sure to impress. With its incredible power, long-range battery, advanced shock absorption technology, and robust construction, it's the perfect vehicle for anyone looking to take their adventures to new heights. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the ESKUTE Electric Dirt Bike and experience the thrill of off-road riding like never before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.